Get in the car!
You're gentrifying! Soon, the skinny jeans will show up, then the skinny lattes, and then the bankers. And you'll be somewhere else, starting the cycle all over again. Maybe you're not a classic garden variety hipster, but you're what the hipsters aspire to be.
The bus stop's up here.
All right, how long does it take us to get out here from LS?
Okay, let's take a look at this bank. And we'll go to the front of the bank, clock the entrance. If the paperwork's correct, the alarm will be a relic. We should be in and out before the local PD knows what's happening. See what kind of response they throw out.
That is a dumb idea.
Hey, you heard the man, all right? Shoot the sucker.
Just shoot the fucking box!
You need to set off the alarm, so hit the box already!
You wanna be here when the cops show? Get in!
This is Toledo-based Security Services frequency. We have a code 30 Adam. Alarm going off at Wayne County Savings Bank. All cars in the area, please respond.
Toledo cars 3, 6, 9, and 1 will be there in 50 seconds.
Roger that. 4 units. Backup team at station is available.
They've dispatched 4 cars in 60 seconds and more on standby.
Wheelchair or not, we're still faster than your ass. Yes.
I'm not gonna outrun a cop. We've gotta go.
We're going. And if we're in front of Trevor, he'll be the one. Hey, dude, what's up? So what is Franklin doing for you anyway?
He's tailing some guys, Mikey. Tailing.
If he's back in Sandy Shores, why didn't I hear about it? God damn it!
Shit! They see us, man. We gotta stay on. That's right, Chop. We gonna fuck them up as soon as Trevor get in.
Fucking hell! Help! Shit, shit, shit!
Hellfire!
He yours, Chop. Let's do this shit. Trevor, man. Shit, you there? There was a deer in the road, man. These motherfuckers crashed out.
They crashed. They dead?
Nah, they gone. They ran into the fucking woods, man. I need air support like right fucking now.
Don't worry. Incoming!
Incoming? Man, you're all business.
Yeah, well, this is kind of important. These men don't like me, and they know we're back in the Sandy Shore, so... Here she is, the Biz Alley. Remember, she ain't mine, she's the company's.
Look, why do these guys, the O'Neills, want you dead anyway?
There was a deal. The contract to end all contracts. Serious multinational stuff. I was this close!
And they stole it off me. Hold up. If they stole your business, why do they want you dead?
Wow! What's with all the questions? Can't you just take my side for once?
Hey, I'm coming along for the ride, ain't I?
Yeah, but I sense your heart ain't in it.
Yeah, I'm lucky my heart ain't in a pie on your kitchen table.
Always with the quips. Check the river. They might be trying to float out of here.
I think I got one of them. Okay, I got a guy in the water.
Jesus! I almost think you want this guy to escape so he can come back and kill me.
Brought his ass down. Not this time, Podno.
We gotta keep looking.
Russian oligarchs pay millions to hunt game like this.
We ain't found him yet.
Out for a leisurely stroll in the woods, huh? Just one poor soul remaining.
They haven't got past Franklin, so they gotta be on the hill. Move your aim to the left a bit. I think there's someone there. Mike, there's something!
Shit! Shit, what is that? There's nothing to shoot at. He's behind a rock.
Let's do this, little homie. Find him.
Frank, you wanna do me a favor here? Find him before he blows me to pieces.
We gon' handle it. If you swimming, I am too. Fuck it.
Feel good, huh? Helping a friend in need?
So I think our little, well, you'll be...
Fine.
Think about my buddy Chef, okay? Consummate professional.
That it? You sure?
That should do.
I'll get the equipment together.
It's not inappropriate. It's another.
Let's get this done. Paleto Bay.
You ever hit a bank before, Franklin?
And risk getting ID'd. You're an idiot.
I gotta go. It's number 2.
All right, we all good? Let's hit them.
Is this happening? This won't take a minute. Get down on the floor! We always gotta kill people. You gonna eat what you kill?
Everyone on the floor! Now! You and you! Out from behind the counter! That's it! Hands in the air! Let's go!
Find out we don't have hostages. They'll come in here real quick.
Move it, Astor!
Ready to pop. Come kick it in, Em.
If I ever meet this alarm guy, I'll fucking shoot him.
Not if I get to him first.
Yeah.
Stay back! We got hostages!
Tell the sheriff the 211 is confirmed. We're gonna need everything we got down here.
Sheriff's here. We never could have beaten that response.
There's other ways of beating it.
Move it! Follow procedure.
You know you're surrounded, so you ain't getting a ride to the airport.
I don't care if they surrender. I'm killing me some bad guys.
Now let the hostages go, and, we'll talk like gentlemen.
Time to face the music.
Sweet mother shit.
And the price of gas keeps on rising. Collateral damage, Steve. I got a minigun, you humorless prick. Police chopper. Team, down the bird. It's missing. Look out! It's coming down! It's coming! Let's go. Come on, Albert! They got a news unit in Shitsville? We got a window! Let's move! The troops are here! Oh, I thought you had us surrounded! They're right here! Let's regroup! Stop them any way you can!
Just caused enough damage. Give it up.
About those command!
Lay down.
Hey, we doing this gig to buy one of them choppers? They got the army on us! It's too me! You wanna play dead? We won't be playing!
Hey, through here!
Run along! Fine!
It's a conspiracy, the cops and the army!
Get the fucking army! Just back the fuck off a minute!
You wanna fight someone? Fight the Anunnaki!
More vehicles! So this is where our defense spending goes!
How much those dirty cops paying you?
Give us some room!
T, man, they're flying in the tank!
We gotta move it! Like right now!
If we all go, they'll get behind us. How about I push this way while you link with Franklin? Then we get out separate.
Sounds like a plan! T, your guy's good! Hey, I thought I was paying out for another idiot!
Hey, these fools really been making a fucking mess out here. All right, this is it, man.
You okay?
I ain't dead yet. I'm on my way.
Citizens reporting to 503 at Oso Bay. Construction site.
Look out! How many dudes they got in this private army? Clear out the way! That's how I'm doing!
Hang in there! Where you at, kid?
Listen to the shooting! Can't point they tough!
We're holding here!
Hey man, these guys are every fucking where!
It's getting hairy over here!
It's hairy over here too, man! Chill! Hey, I'm here!
That's all right.
Good kid!
Go, 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 go! Don't fuck with me! Another tank on the right! Hang a left!
Hey, quiet disturbance, you calls!
Ah, shit! Well, you know me and Trevor. Wherever we go, drama follows.
That's one way of putting it. Hey, hold on! We ain't going through here.
Let's go inside and regroup.
Be shot, old man, huh? I'm grouped just fine.
Man, y'all look hot in the motherfucker in them suits.
Hey, we got a train to catch!
They're all over us! Take cover!
Ah, it was going so sweet!
This way, through the warehouse!
We're in pursuit.
Stay behind me, kid. I got the armor. Use me as cover, Frank. You don't want to get out front.
I'm cool, just keep going! I should've worn a suit, man. Hey, Frank, you good? I'll be cool when we out of this. Some cover!
Team, come in! I'm trying to hold these guys. Where are you?
We dumped into a chicken factory to get away from the tanks.
Chicken factory? Oh, I see it. I'll try and handle anyone looks like they're going in.
Key to running a business is surrounding yourself with
I
talent.
feel like the right manager unlocked his potential. How you doing back there, Frank?
Don't worry about me, just keep moving!
There's even more of these bastards!
I'm gonna kill
Reloading!
You motherfucking...
The train. It's our only shot. You holding on, F?
I'm fine, let's keep moving!
There's a ground team on the way to the factory. I might be looking to drop on
hired for the job. There's some guys trying to get in here. Chef's holding them off. Might give us... Right here. Get on. Ah! Ah! Fucking it.
Let's go. Yo. Easy, easy. I'm a friendly. Agent Sanchez.
Our very own corrupt G-man in training.
You gotta be careful.